Hey guys, I'm John from Legacy Woodworking Machinery, and today we're going to work on a shutter project. Now the reason I decided to do this is because my wife would like new shutters on the house. So this is my prototype. Let's watch how it was done. All right, now that we've cut all our parts, we're going to go ahead and get it put together. You can see I already started that right here. Let's go ahead and get these sanded, finished up, and assembled. Now all these slats, we're going to go ahead and put in dry. We'll take these off and glue these up, because those are going to need some glue in there. But these slats, I want them to float so that they change with the weather. They can have a little bit of give in there. With all of the slats in place, let's go ahead and get these glued up. We're just going to pop these apart and do them one at a time so I keep them the same orientation that they already were. Use my little glue gun here. Have a neat little guy. Just going to go ahead and shoot just a little bit of glue up on the inside of there, and then of course on the edges. And we want to make sure that we get some good glue coverage, both right there and right here. Let's tap that in. All right, looks nice and tight. Love it. Let's go ahead and do this side here. And we'll do the same thing here. Looks beautiful. Put our little extra right there. Never hurts to have a little extra glue. All right, now comes the exciting part, trying to lay out all of these so they're beautifully spaced and ready to snap in to this guy. So let's go ahead and add our glue. All right, there is our shutter. Let's go ahead and put some clamps on it and be done with our cool project. And that's all there is to it. A little joining system, a little door making system, and a really cool piece of software called Aspire. And you can build literally anything you want. If you have any questions about this video or any of the other videos that you see on our webpage, give me a phone call. It's 801-491-0010. If you want to learn more about the Maverick 4x8, Maverick 4x4, or any of our other product line, drop me an email. It's John, John, at legacywoodworking.com. Thank you so much. Be nice to each other, and we'll see you guys in the next one.